Morning. It's the 7th of March at 7:10 or 7:13 now in the morning. Just the morning video to accompany the email. So usual pattern, got the 10-minute chart, 30-minute chart here, 2-hour chart, and then the daily chart. And as you can see on the daily chart, the trends really still are up based on the RAF channels. So for today, just coming over here, expanding up the 30-minute chart. So what I'm thinking, obviously when I sent the email out, we were at 6170, so I'm thinking a rise up towards the pivot area. So this is 6182. We also have the green coral line here, which is actually the trend line. It's still positive, so we may even break through that pivot. Maybe not initially, but I'm thinking later on today we probably will. So as you can see from the arrows really, I'm thinking a rise up to there, dip down towards the S1 area, around 6145, 6150, something like that, and then a climb again. It was actually quite a bullish afternoon in the end on Friday after the NFP. We had our initial reaction, which was to the downside, and then we climbed and we hit a high on Friday at 6220. So would have taken out quite a lot of stops there, I'd imagine, with people that were shorting at 6200. However, we went in 6200 on that spike there at 130. So we got a nice dip down in the run up to the news. So anyway, so back to today. Let's just go and have a look at some other charts. So the 2-hour chart has dropped back a bit really since Friday evening. Obviously it's rising back up, but I've actually got resistance now on this purple line at the 6194 area. So I'm thinking if we do rise up this morning towards the pivot and that 6194 area, I think we might see a bit of bearish activity there. So it's worth a short at that level. And then from there, as I mentioned, if I go back to the 30-minute chart, assuming we do have a reaction to the downside at that 6185, 6195 area, possibly dipping down to that 6150 area around lunchtime. If that area holds, and there's a couple of reasons why it will, we've got S1 there, and we've also got this green dotted line here on the 30-minute chart, which is the 200 EMA, and as we're above it, a retrace to that line sometimes acts as support. So obviously that would coincide with about 6145 later on today. So that's the plan really. Short at around 6185, go long at around 6145. Good luck everyone. Hope you found the video useful. If you've got any feedback, let me know. Thanks very much.